I love soup.
The traditional version is with beef. I'm going to show you my pork version. It is excellent and cheaper. To make the broth, put 1 pound of shoulder, it is a tender meat, and 1 pound of pork butt with its bone. It will give a good flavor to the broth. Cut 1 onion in 2, 2 small slices of ginger, and 1 head of garlic in 2. Put them with the meat. Then add 1 tablespoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of fish sauce, 10 cups of water. Heat over high heat with the lid. Be careful, before boiling, skim. Otherwise, the foam will mix with the broth and make it cloudy. For pho, we want a clear broth. Then turn to low heat, put the lid back on, and let it simmer for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Meanwhile, soak 1 pound of dehydrated rice noodles for 1 hour and 30 minutes. You can also use fresh ones. Prepare the fried garlic. Crush 1 ounce of garlic, chop them. Fry them over medium heat in 4 tablespoons of hot oil, stirring from time to time. When the garlic starts to take color, turn to low heat and stir continuously. After 2 minutes and 30 seconds, the garlic is golden, turn off the heat and continue to mix for 30 seconds. Pour it into a small bowl. You can keep it at room temperature. Cut a small onion into thin slices. Chop 1 green onion and 0.5 ounces of cilantro into sections. After 1 hour and 30 minutes, remove the pieces of meat. Let them cool to make cutting easier. Cut them into thin slices. The noodles are rehydrated. Drain them. Take a portion for 1 bowl of pho. Put them in a pot of boiling water heated over high heat. Let them cook for 1 minute. By pinching them, check that they are tender. Drain them and put them in the bowl. For the same bowl, take a few pieces of meat. Dip them a few seconds in boiling broth to warm them. Place them on the noodles. Add a few ladles of broth. Add some bean sprouts, green onion, cilantro, onion, 1 teaspoon of fried garlic, and chili oil for those who like it. Bon appétit! Everyone enjoys their bowl as soon as it is ready. Mixing it, we like to eat the pieces of meat with hoisin Chinese barbecue sauce. The broth has lots of flavor. The meat is also tasty and very tender. You can prepare the broth the day before. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.